Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to verify identity on Freecash. First, open the Freecash website in your browser and log into your account. Once you are on the homepage, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see a small notification icon. Click on that icon to open your notifications. If you have been using your account for some time, especially if it is a new account, you may receive a message asking you to verify your identity. This message is usually sent to keep the platform safe and secure. Right now, I do not have that notification visible, but on your screen it should appear clearly in the list. Click on the notification message. It will guide you to the next step. You should see a button that says Proceed to Verify. Click on that button to continue. After that, a new window will open on your screen. This is the verification page. Here, you need to click on the Verify Now button to begin the process. You will be asked to upload some documents. This usually includes a valid government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or a national ID card. Make sure the image is clear and all details are visible. You may also be asked to upload a selfie. This helps confirm that the ID belongs to you. Follow the instructions carefully and upload all required files. Once everything is submitted, the system will review your information. After a short time, your account will be verified if everything is correct. Thanks for watching.